San Jose nag-celebrate ng kanyang 29th birthday kasama si River Cruz at kapatid nito. At syempre ang buong San Jose family ay kasama rin nilang kumain sa restaurant. Simple birthday nga lang kasama ang loved ones ay happy-happy na ang birthday girl. Narito ang kanilang masayang kaganapan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Masayang nagkantahan ang buong family para kay Julian. Ang saya nga kapag maraming family members. Ang magkapatid na River at Rojun, hindi mapigilang kuhanan ng video si Julian habang kinakantahan siya. Talagang chine-cherish nila ang love life ni River.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Napakasaya naman ang birthday girl, kumpleto ang lahat sa kanyang simple birthday dinner. Ang ganda naman ng bulaklaking birthday cake ni Julian. Nakailang ulit nga sila ng birthday song dahil hindi malagyan ng fire ang kanyang candle.
You are the dancing queen, young and sweet, always 17.
Ang sweet naman ng sayawan pa sa mismong birthday ni Julian, ang cute ng dancing queen dance ni na River at Julie.
Dancing queen. Julie, happy birthday! Come on! You are the dancing queen.
Ito naman ang birthday message ni River Cruz para sa kanyang girlfriend. On this day, the love of my life was born. Thank you for the infinite magic we share every single day. Know that I'll always be by your side every step of the way. Through everything. May you continue to be a blessing not just to me but to everyone. Happy birthday, my love. Super proud of you always. I love you. Grabe nga ang kilig sa dalawa. Marami naman nga ang bumati kay Julian. Kasama na dito sina E.A. Guzman, Sunshine Cruz, Alex Gonzaga, Geneva Cruz, Carla Angeline at marami pa.
Sing for Tita Julie. Go. Happy birthday, Tita Julie. Go. I love you
I love you
so much.
so much.
Frankies. Big eyes.